We are constantly answering the same questions over and over again here at Replay Sports, which is, how many FPS is that gun? In other words, what they're asking is, what is the velocity of this airsoft gun in feet per second? Well, you know, we have devices that actually measure those kind of velocities. They're called a chronograph. We fire the gun through it, and it gives us the velocity in feet per second. But it's hard to really apply what exactly does that number mean. So today, to give you a little bit of a better perspective, we took a couple of other items and decided to shoot them with an airsoft gun so you can get a better idea of exactly what does that FPS number mean. The guns we used for today's demonstrations are a couple of Colt licensed M4 carbines, which give you an average velocity of around 500 feet per second. So, the next time you ask exactly how many FPS is that gun, try to remember this. So you're probably asking yourself, why did they use those particular airsoft guns for today's demonstration? Well, these guns give an average velocity of around 500 feet per second, which is about what I would expect for any out-of-the-box, full-metal airsoft gun. Now, you can get modifications to get these things to shoot over 500 feet per second, but I personally wouldn't recommend it because you're really getting into that dangerous realm where you neither want to shoot somebody nor do you want to get shot by that kind of velocity. So keep that in mind next time you go to an airsoft store and you're shopping for what velocity you want to get in your next airsoft gun. So, until next week, stay safe, wear your eye protection, and we'll see you next time.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Well, you know, we've tried shooting them through chronographs to give you a real world. Okay. Sports, which is how many FPS is that gun? In other words, how many velocities? Duh.